Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for being here today. I'm Rinske Douna and this is my art channel. I was looking today at Instagram, scrolling, and I saw Color Me Saw. He's an amazing fluid artist and I love his swooshes. He makes sort of comb swooshes in his Dutch pours, looking beautiful, and he definitely inspired me to do a White and Bright series 2.0. And why 2.0? Because in 2019 I did a White and Bright series, or my first White and Bright series. So these were the works I created. It was a 9-piece. That was the project. I wanted to create 9 paintings, minimal designs, pop of colors, sort of flowers, and a lot of white negative space. I will be doing that now this year again, but then with bigger works, I think, and tweaking really my Dutch pours. A lot of white negative space, a lot of vibrant colors, and today I'm starting off with painting number 1. I don't know if I will call it painting number 1 of this series because it's gonna be experimental for today. I can't wait to start playing. I'm using simple colors, just primary colors and some green and of course white. No metallics. Mostly when I'm experimenting, I'm using the most simple colors so I can really see what I'm doing and do not have to think about how to layer the colors really. Because with primary colors you can go any way. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I bought 3 size combs, or at least I bought 2 and I cut this one in 3/4 or something. So I'll be using these, I think so. And I have the most simple color palette. I have here 5 colors. I don't know if I'm gonna use them all. Let's see how that goes. But first we start with the base of white. So let's go. Okay, and I'm gonna torch the air bubbles out. And I'm doing that because I don't want any pinholes when it dries. I was thinking just layering some color here, blow that out and then start tweaking with the combs. It's my first time, so let's see. I'm gonna start with just a little bit of green. Then let's go with the blue. Can have kind of a lot of color, or that's what I want. And some pink. And I don't want the pink to mix really with the green, because that won't look pretty. I'm gonna use kind of a lot of color. Yes, a lot of color we want. All right. Let's just add here some white. So this doesn't look like anything yet. And I was thinking not blowing the white over first, so I will be left with a lot of deep dark colors. So here we go. Yeah, definitely deep and dark colors. So that's awesome. You know, I'm not a fan of this design and that's perfect because then we can definitely tweak with the comb. Yeah, you should see how vibrant this is. That's insane. Oh. Okay, I'm even scared to do something. You know, there's a big patch of pink here, which I would like to break up. Okay, that looks very cool. Yeah, that definitely looks cool. You should see it. I think in a close-up we're gonna do some more. I'll probably go here and up there. Not the biggest fan of that one. Here it is beautiful though. You know what? I can also drag like this. Ah, I'm messing this up. I think it would be prettier if it was more minimal. I really love here and in the middle there. I will be taking this off. Let me take a stick here. It's beautiful, that green is gorgeous. That looks nice. And then I think I need to take off some here too. Like that. So I'll be pouring there some more white. Of course. Now we have some super harsh lines here, but the design does look better in my opinion. But I would like that this is a bit softer. First, torch the air bubbles out of the white. How do we get that softer? I can swipe just a little bit of white over it or go with the comb, but then I think I will be messing it up again. Now here this swoosh is beautiful, and there too you should see it in the close-up. You know what? I will be swooshing. Maybe start in the white and then drag it like that. I think that's the best decision, to go like that. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, that looks awesome. You know, I feel like now it's not in balance because it needs to have it here then too. But I'm loving this part, so it will be a risk to do that. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, this has an awesome design in detail. Really awesome. Okay, so now the only part I dislike is this, because the colors are just not pretty there. So what I can also do, of course, is just go with the palette knife in there and then swipe. Then I'll be swiping from here and then like that, so these colors will become more one color. Please do not mess this up. Better, that's better. Okay, you know what? I just can't stop. I need to make this more cohesive. So I have a new comb. And I'm gonna go, I think, like this. Wow. Alright, this is such a cool comb. Okay, don't know if this is better, any better. Don't think so. It's a tripping piece, very trippy. I'm gonna leave it like this. Yeah. Okay, close up. Okay, so this artwork has a lot of different details than you're used to from me. Very psychedelic, I think. But it has something, doesn't it? This will dry so vibrant. Look at this. Really cool. Definitely white and bright. See, white and bright colors. Yeah. I would love to hear what you think about this. So different. Are you gonna try this, or have you already tried this? I would love to hear that. Well, thank you so much for watching. This is White and Bright 2.0 painting number 1. And a lot more to come. So stay tuned, and I would love to see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.